Hi, kindergarten readers. Mrs. Chadwell here again today for some comparing and contrasting in our story. Yesterday, you started the story about children, past and present, and you read about toys and games a long time ago. So I want you to think about what you remember from yesterday, what you learned about how toys and games from in the past to now in the present, how they are same and different. So take a little bit and think about that, and then share that with somebody next to you. You can pause the video, I'll give you a little sharing time. Okay, now that you talked about toys and games, today we are going to read more about children in the past and the present. And you already read chapter 1. Now we're going to read chapter 2 about clothes today. Now, since we're talking about how things are different and similar, comparing and contrasting, I want you to really listen for and look for words like also, to, and but, because these are words that will tell you if something's the same or if something is different. Okay, so here's the chapter you read yesterday, Toys and Games. Now, today we're going to listen to chapter 2, all about clothes. Be thinking about how they are same, if it looks similar, if you get your clothes in the same way, or if it looks different now in the present.
Chapter 2 Clothes.
Hundreds of years ago, most children had only a few clothes. Their clothes were made at home. Later, families could shop in stores, but there weren't many choices.
This girl made her own clothes. Late 1800s. Girls wore dresses long ago. Little boys wore dresses too.
Today, families still shop for clothes in stores, but they also shop online. Children have many kinds of clothes for play, school, and special times.
Today, people can shop online and in stores.
So now I want you to take some time and think about how it is similar and how it is different. How are clothes same and different from a long time ago? I want you to turn and talk to somebody next to you. Okay, now that you've talked about it, I want you to make a video comparing and contrasting 1 to 2 things that are the same and 1 to 2 things that are different from clothes in the past and in the present. When you're done, send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Comparing and contrasting, remember, is a great strategy to use when you're reading, especially when you're reading nonfiction books. So make sure you look at pictures and you look at the words closely when you're reading and think about how things are same and how things are different from what you know. See you next time, readers.